Thank you for tuning in to another JMD Janitorial tutorial. Today's video is about how important is it to do inspections at your customer locations. It is very important that you have a quality control and do inspections at your customers' locations. And this is the form that JMD Janitorial uses: general office, cafeteria, restroom. There's others, so we're going to label this for the conference room. Okay, we're looking in the corners. Okay, we're going to go high, and we're looking for high, like for cobwebs and dust. Okay, so once again, I'm just going to rub my fingers across, and no dust. So we're just walking around in the conference room, and here's something that I found, and as you see, and I'm focusing on the window sills and I'm focusing on the corners. Now obviously I'm going to look for other things inside of the room that are, just standard operating procedure as far as cleaning. So if there's any debris on the floor or tables that need to be wiped down, obviously we're going to mark that on our inspection sheets. Panorama view of the room and of the conference room as we continue to go around and we do our inspections. That for quality control purposes, that you have independent inspections and that you're inspecting behind your staff and that you're making certain that all of the scope of work is being followed. And this can be used for training. It's not to be used so as a cudgel that you can pull whoever. Let's say if I have somebody that's doing this first floor at this particular customer, and then I'm telling that person, hey, look, you missed the spot. No. That's using inspections as a cudgel. We're not here to use inspections as a cudgel. At JMD Janitorial, it's about training. It's truly about communicating with our staff so that we're all on the same page. That's very, very important that you keep your line of communication open from the customer all the way down to the staff. And here we're looking and checking the window sills. No dust. So we're going to make it back to our inspection sheet, and then that's something that we're going to document. Okay, so what we're going to do is, I like to always check the corners. So here we go. I'm going to take a little step back. We're going to pull this garbage can back, and we're just going to check behind the garbage can. There you go. We're going to go up because again we're looking for dust, cobwebs. All right, and we're just going to check the baseboards. All right, there's a few garbage cans here. There's a little debris on the floor, as you see. What do we have here? A paper clip. So as the inspector, instead of me saying, oh, I found something, and run and go tell you missed something and go back and tell your staff, hey, go back there and pick up that paper clip, as the inspector, pick up the paper clip. Pick it up. Okay, here's something else we found. So we're going to make sure that they put a bag inside of that can to make sure that all this stuff is being wiped down. Okay, things like this and picture frames These should be wiped down, if not daily, you're at least having your staff wipe them down about once, twice, maybe 3 times a week. But and we're going to check this counter. We're going to come here, and now we're going to fill out our inspection form. This conference room was done very well. All the dusting was done, and I'm very satisfied with this conference room and how the staff handled this particular conference room. Everything was done well. So, once again, thank you for tuning in to another JMD Janitorial tutorial. This particular video was about how important is it to inspect your customers' locations that you're servicing. It's very, very important. So if you haven't done so already, subscribe, like, share, and even post a comment or two.